In this video I want to show you how to lower the rear seats of your Honda Crosstour. So first of all, make sure there's nothing on the seats, and then you're gonna go on the corner of the seat over here. There's a latch, pull it, and you just have to bring down the backrest. Same thing on the other side. Okay, you're gonna pull that latch and the backrest will fall down, and you'll have much more space to load your stuff. Now once you are done, you don't have to touch that latch. Simply bring back the backrest. Make sure the seat belt doesn't cover this latch. If not, the backrest will not be able to latch in place. So as you see, everything is secure, and this is about it. If you found my video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.